So US-based futures traders, simple strategy rules using the roller coaster and the bias depth heat map. So we're only looking for signals between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. EST and signals between 6 p.m. at the reopen to 7 p.m. This is a 5-hour working day, approximately 100 hours a month. Must have 5 or 6 or 6 out of 6 on the bias depth heat map on the day trading settings. So if I just click my arrow here on the left, see down at the bottom on the chart, this bias depth heat map is on the day trading setting. I've got my stop loss EMA period at 21 on the roller coaster also. So this is about quality, not quantity. So you're going to work for 100 hours a month, and you're going to get between 7 and 12 trades per month. The stars have to be aligned. You're looking for quality, not quantity. I'm going to go through those 7 trades. First of all, again, these 7 trades from the 6th of June to the 6th of July, there's 7 trades, 7 winners, 506 total ticks profit. So if we're trading one contract, that's $6,325 profit, approximately 100 hours working month, $63 an hour. Going all the way up to 5 contracts here, that's $316 an hour. Again, futures are scalable depending on the margin you have in your account. So let's go through these. Very simple. You have to be an algorithm as a trader. So again, we're looking for trades between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Nothing outside of those windows. We've got to have the signal, and we've got to have confirmation from the bias depth heat map down here. So I've put on the amount of ticks profit for each one, and also the vertical line here to show us the time. So this is 7:10 a.m. on Thursday, the 3rd of July. We get a signal. We've got full 6 out of 6 confirmation, and we go all the way up to this point here. We can be a little bit more aggressive with those. We can change the EMA from 21 to say 13 if we wanted to. That's very aggressive. But again, it depends on your style. Again, we can see here the trading stops are a lot tighter on this bit. I'm just going to turn it back to 21. Okay, so again, on the 2nd of July, we had a 63 tick winner. This did get carried through the close. Remember, some traders don't like to trade through the close, so that was probably a 55 tick win. It did move a little bit after the open, but not a lot. Again, we see another little one, a lot of risk here. He didn't take out the stop and eventually just made 21 ticks, but again, 940 after the open, got a little bit of volatility there, didn't take out the stop, all 6 out of 6. Now, there will be trades that you miss, but don't worry about that. Remember, you've got to have a set of rules, and we've got a time in which we want to trade. We have a strategy, the roller coaster, which basically prints on the chart for you, and you've got your rules for that heat map. Those are the best times to trade because you don't want to be sat in front of the computer all day. Take the afternoons off, come back for that 1 hour. Again, here's another one. We have 24th of June, 10:40 a.m. We get this signal, we've got the confirmation, and 65 ticks winner here. We have 58 ticks on the 23rd of June. We have a short here on the 19th of June for 50 ticks. There are trades in the middle of unless the middle of the night. We're not going to take those anyway. This was a winning trade at 12.50, but this is an outlier. The best times to trade are between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. and that after the open, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So another one here on the 16th of June, 07:30. It's in our time slot. And we get a 94 tick winner. All 6 out of 6 are green. We got a winner here, but we didn't get the bias depth heat map. We don't know. We can't look right. And again, it's at 13:30 in the afternoon. We're taking the afternoon off. Remember, we're 3 contracts, $312 an hour. We're only going to work 100 hours a week. This one was a winner here on 12th of June at 8:30. We only had 3 out of 3. Are there opportunities with other types of algorithms to get us in this trade a little later? And that would be something like the xBrat algo we see here. We got a 6 out of 6 with this 6-star buy, which is a little later on. Yes, you don't win as much profit, but that's an additional. And again, I'm going to put the roller coaster, the link for the roller coaster down in the description, the bias depth heat map. That's our basic strategy. If you want to get more advanced, we can start to add the xBrat algo to catch some extra trades in that time between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. Let's move back now. Again, there was a winner here, but that was 2040 at night. We're not going to be working that late tonight, and that's the end. That's the month. That's my little reminder. That's the 6th of June. So it is a very, very simple strategy, but any strategy that you're trading needs rules. And I've put these very simple rules together for trading ES on the 10-minute time frame with the roller coaster. Simple strategy rules. Signals between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. That's what I'm interested in. I finish work then. I come back at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. to catch some of those after that reopen. My bias depth heat map needs to be 5 out of 6 or 6 out of 6. And that's it. I'm looking for quality, not quantity. Again, so take a look at those links below in the description for the xBrat roller coaster. It's not just available on this TradingView platform, it's available for lots of different platforms, and also the bias depth heat map. And if you want to get a little bit more advanced, also add that xBrat roller coaster, xBrat algo to your arsenal of trading tools. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.